Hi, I'm Dr. Wayne Higashi, a licensed chiropractor located in West Los Angeles. Are you one of those people that crack your own neck or back? If you are, or you feel the urges to do that, that means actually that there's something wrong, and you should definitely get screened right away. The body is meant to be in a correct position, and if it's not, it actually starts to have a problem and wants to start to self-adjust. But by doing this, you can actually be causing more of a problem. Visit our website for more tips like this.